A few years ago, I read in a newspaper that the staff at a library in a small town in the west of England had noticed that the number of visitors to the library was going down and down, and the number of books they were borrowing was going down even faster. They could understand this, so they decided to do some research to find out the reason. They, in, they interviewed people and asked them to fill in questionnaires and so on. And guess what they discovered? The reason was simply that everybody has their own the book already.